Metal.
I would never violate the codes of the streets, and I would never make a promise that I know I couldn't keep, and I would never testify, cop out for a plea, or surrender information on my boys to the police. And you could never catch me on the block without a strap, and I would never pull it out unless I'm about to black it. I could never forget my homies dying for they scratch, forever pouring out liquor for them, guns in the back, and I'll never shed tears, my heart is like a stone now. Never thought I'd live to see 21, look, I'm grown now. Never say never, they tell me all the time, cause never means it's forever, but it's never crossed my mind, and I'll never go broke. I promise I'ma shine, never come short on my issue. I'm on it every time, and I'll never be passive. You better give me mine, it's my money, and I want it every motherfucking dime. Look, never forgot all my struggles in the past, and I could never forget how to hustle for my cash, and I will never forget how I felt when I saw Brad take that first breath. And from then, I knew I had the mask, and it could never be said I went out like a hoe. Never been punked, I'll never let it slide, never let it go. Never ever, never ever ever, no, get on my level, hoe, or go get a shovel, hoe. It's never in question for my manhood, I get down. I'll never switch, never snitch, never sit down. I'll never hesitate to squeeze a nigga 6 rounds. I'll never squat to take a piss, who's the bitch now? I never ran, I never will, I ain't never scared. It's in my bloodline, the realest nigga ever bred. And that's some of the realest shit that I ever said. And I can die, but through my lyrics, I ain't never dead. I'll never disrespect my mama, never disrespect her mama neither. I'll never turn my back on Jesus. I'll never get caught off in the system, cause I believe her. Man that follows man ain't a man, and I'm a leader. Never gon' turn cold, my nigga, I can never trade. I never cross my homies out, that ain't how I'm made. And I never had not one regret on how I was raised. I'm from the ghetto, where I slung and rapped it every day. Never knew no other way, this ain't gon' never change. Never gon' bite my tongue, fuck what a nigga say. 100 with myself, I swore to God I'd stay the same. And when I finally got my paper, I was on my game. I never talk a nigga down, do your thing, dog. Never hate a dude for trying, that's insane, dog. Get your motherfucking money, that's the thing, dog. Too many homies dying young, feel my pain, y'all.